Para sa ating mga single, a car is more than just a car. It's an extension of our personality, lifestyle, and interest. Tsaka, aminin natin, ginagamit rin natin yung mga sasakyan para mas mapansin tayo ni crush. Kahit sabihin pa nilang, okay lang yan, basta umaandar. It can bring you from point A to point B. Aba, iba pa rin kapag nakatutok sa yung mga tao habang nagdadrive ka ng sasakyan mo. I'm Stanley Chi for Phil Coach's Top 10 List. And in this episode, we'll talk about the 10 best cars for single people. But before we start, please subscribe to Phil Coach's YouTube channel and click the bell button for updates. Phil Coche is the #1 car portal in the Philippines. So if you want to buy cars, brand new or second hand, log on to philcoche.com and they'll give you the best car deals in the country. Mahirap maghanap ng sasakyan para sa listahan ito, kaya gumawa kami ng ground rules. Number 1, dapat 2020 model. Number 2, dapat available sa Pilipinas. Number 3, hindi exaggerated ang presyo. May pangyayamanin, may affordable. And number 4, maliit lang dapat sa sasakyan, pang single nga eh. So let's start the countdown in no particular order, the 10 best cars for single people. Number 10, Suzuki Jimny. Personally, it's the 4x4 of the year and the gift that keeps on giving. Small on the outside but big on the inside. It's a combination of retro and rugged design at bentang-benta ito sa mga single, mapalalaki man o babae, kasi it will give you the vibe na adventurous ka at pwede kang yayain mag out of town any time of the day. Pangbaragan din to ha, pwede mong isugod sa bahay ngayong tagulan. Kung kinakapos ka naman sa budget, well, nandyan ang Suzuki Espresso. Bukod sa mas mura, this mini SUV is the perfect first car for single people. Number 9, Mazda MX-5, the sports car that's swipe right worthy in Tinder and Bumble. Kung pang malakasan ang hanap mo, itong Mazda MX-5 ang ilagay mo sa profile picture mo. It's one of the most recognizable two-seaters in the world lang naman. At altang-alta yung magiging datingan mo sa taong bayan na iisipin nilang wala kang pinoproblema sa buhay kundi mag-travel kung saan-saan at mag-party na mag-party. It's affordable and has a 181 horsepower 4-cylinder engine. Ngayon, kung nagtitipid ka, nandiyan ang Mazda 2 with a crown grille and increased LED headlights. Siguradong mapapansin ka ng mga tao pag dala mong sasakyan na to. Number 8, Nissan Juke. Cute, maliit at benta sa mga chicks itong mini SUV. Mas pinaganda pa ng Nissan ang Juke 2020. Kung dati nasa awkward stage siya, ngayon para siyang Pokemon na nag-evolve. Biglang gwapo. If you're looking for comfort, style, and additional sex appeal, this car is no joke. Number 7, Honda Brio. Tahimik pero matinik dahil sa iVTEC engine ng Honda. Mura at sosyal ang datingan and it's relatively spacious. Para sa isang maliit na sasakyan tulad nito, maluwag siya. It's a very good looking car na kapatid ng Honda Jazz at bagay na bagay pagkasama mo si Crush at ang best friend niyang maganda. Pag tinanong ka naman ni Crush ng makakaakyat ba yan ng Baguio? Well, yayain mo na dahil kaya ng makina ng Brio. Number 6, Toyota 86 and Subaru BRZ. Parehong two-door sports car, magkamukha. Parang magkapatid na parehong pogi dahil sa joint effort ng Toyota at Subaru. Mas smooth ang style ng Subaru, tapos yung sa Toyota, mas aggressive ang datingan. It's the perfect car for single people who want to scream that they're single and ready to mingle. Fun fact, Toyota and Subaru jointly developed the model, with Toyota naming it the 86 while Subaru going for the name BRZ. There are rumors na magkakaroon daw ng second generation na BRZ at 86. More power, still no turbos, pero maangas pa rin. Uy, mga ka-single, relax na kayo, nasa top 5 na tayo. Number 5, Kia Picanto. Another case of mura and pogi. The recently launched Kia Picanto is now on its 3rd generation model. Ito yung apo sa talampakan ng Kia Pride. It's youthful and energetic. The tiger nose grille now extends all the way to the headlights. lume-level up na ang Picanto, parang Kia Rio at Kia Forte. Number 4, Hyundai Accent Diesel. Kung nagtitipid ka dahil mahal ang fuel, pues ito na ang pinakamurang diesel car na mabibili mo. It's practical and has a no-nonsense approach pagdating sa design. Kaya naman, dahil poging-pogi ang kotseng ito, huwag ka nang magtaka kung lahat ng mga nagtatrabaho sa opisina o immortal may ganitong kotse with matching Uniqlo outfits mula ulo hanggang paa. Number 3, Ford EcoSport. Sleek and stylish, kapansin-pansin ang sasakyang ito. Good for long drives. At yung bagong top of the line na EcoSport sobrang sosyal ng datingan sa loob dahil sa sobrang dami ng leather and high-tech stuff. Medyo masikip sa loob, pero di ba yan naman ang gusto natin pagkasama si Crush? Mas mapapalapit tayo sa kanya. The perfect choice for single people who's looking for the practical, everyday, pogi vehicle. Fun fact, the Ford EcoSport is offered in 4 trims in the Philippines. The 1.0 EcoBoost Titanium 80, the 1.5 Trend 80, 1.5 Trend MT, and 1.5 Ambiente MT as the base variants. Number 2, Jeep Renegade. This great-looking compact crossover SUV is full of character and quite spacious for its size. Bago lang to kasi last week lang ni-launch pero mas mura na siya. Ang presyo, tumataginting na 1.6 million pesos. Etong mas pinasosyal na Jimny may baby Wrangler appeal. Seryoso pero may sensitive side. Number 1, Geely Coolray. A Chinese crossover car that's mura, pogi, and high-tech. Lahat ng features ng sasakyang ito high-tech. Lalo na yung self-parking feature. Kung gusto mo magpakitang gilas kay Crush, you can literally park without your hands on the steering wheel. Mukhang dito yata nila binuhos ang lahat ng effort nila para naman di sayang ang bayad mo. Parang mga Xiaomi o Huawei. Kung sa bagay, lahat ng gadget natin made in China. Kaya don't underestimate this Chinese brand. Fun fact, the Geely owns the Volvo. Kaya naman halos magkapareho ang interiors ng dalawang sasakyang ito. There you have it, the 10 best cars for single people. I'm Stanley Chi for Phil Coches Top 10 List. May nakalimutan ba kami sa listahan na to? Well, sabihin nyo lang sa comment section. Let's discuss. Madali naman kami kausap Diba, Direk? Uy, sabihin nyo nga kay Larep tsaka kay Leroy, tigilan na yung pati-trip sa akin. Alam mo, type na type ko yung Jimny. Single kasi ako Ba't kasi nilagay ko yung Fortuner sa profile picture ko? Pang tito yun. Pagtako na nga kaya yung profile picture ko.